Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel here on YouTube, and for today's video I'm going to show you guys how to implement peanut butter and bird seeds to a birdhouse this small. It's very quick and easy, and I think anybody can do this. So let's get right into it. The materials you will need are the birdhouse, obviously, preferably the one with the cone roof, mainly because these are easier to work with. However, other birdhouse models will work fine too. You are also going to need some peanut butter, a butter knife, and some bird seeds. Before we start, I just want to say that I recommend placing a piece of paper or a plastic bag on top of your workspace. That way you don't get anything dirty and it'll be easier to clean up. Before we start, I do recommend placing a piece of paper or a plastic bag on top of your workspace. That way you don't get anything dirty and it will be easier to clean up. The first step is to take a big scoop of peanut butter with a butter knife. And smear it on the top part or the roof of the birdhouse. Once you are done coating the rooftop of the birdhouse with peanut butter, you are then going to coat it with some bird seeds. And this is how you are going to coat the roof of the birdhouse. Once you are done coating the rooftop with bird seeds, just place some bird seeds on the little entrance of the birdhouse, and it is ready to be hanged. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me showing you guys how to implement peanut butter and bird seeds on a birdhouse like this. It's a very fun project that I think anybody can do. And on that note, I sure do hope that you leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys think and what you want to see in the future. I'll definitely read those, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye y'all.